So hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick tip how to keep your AC running and to explain to you what a bleach port is. So over here on our AC, you're going to find your condensate drain line. This is where all of the humidity from the AC is going to drain out of your home. Each month we do ask that you add either a cup of vinegar or bleach to the system to keep all of the algae clear of the line. If the algae does stop up the line, then it will cause water to back up in your home, or sometimes for the system to cut off. So over here, ours is particularly on this pipe. So you would have a funnel, or if you don't have a funnel, you can cut off a water bottle. Simply just stick that bottle here. We have our vinegar, and we're going to take and slowly pour it down the line. This will help to dissolve any buildup of algae that is in the line. And as simple as that. In addition to making sure that you put that vinegar in your line, make sure that you are changing your air filter every month. One important fact is that on your filter there should be an arrow for the airflow, like shown here. So just make sure that the airflow is going in. Again, change your air filter every month.